Going to college can be tough.
And lectures can be taxing.
Making new friends can be scary.
And assignments can be.
Wait, what if we told you? You can just flip it.
CollegeDekho, launching Flip. Future Leaders and Innovators Programme.
That makes learning interesting, exciting and fun.
You get the drift.
Right.
Designed especially for college students.
Flip is a unique Campus Ambassador program that helps you
Become a campus influencer. Win certificates and rewards.
get industry internships, work on live projects,
Attend master classes. Mentorships from industry experts.
and much more.
And more, and more.
So if you are a thinker, a doer, an innovator, a creator, or all of the above,
This program is for you.
and your close friends,
And your not so close friends. Join Flip today.
Flip Future Leaders and Innovators Programme.